Any of the previous scenarios may be modified to use machine count to signal the lubrication events instead of an interval time. Note, one exception is in the case of the G3 grease pumps. If your application requires a G3 grease pump with the paddle mode for the low-level switch, then machine count is unavailable because that input is already being used by the low-level paddle. Press the up and down arrow keys together for a few seconds to put the device into setup mode. To enable machine count, start by making the following selections. Now there are several choices to be made. Select Count and press the right arrow key, then set the number of machine counts required by the application, and press the right arrow key once more to return to the previous menu. If the machine count is simply used to trigger a lubrication event without any interval timer, then you can skip both the action and the timeout options. But verify that next to timeout, the word Disabled is displayed. If timeout shows enabled, then use the arrow keys to select it and press the right arrow. Then choose Disable and press the right arrow. With timeout disabled, use the arrow keys to select Accept and press the right arrow. This will return you to the previous menu. From there, you can press the left arrow key several times to exit setup mode, or use the arrow keys to choose another option from a previous menu.